Okay, Harpreet, I hope you know about the format of the exam. Format तो पता है ना कैसे स्पीकिंग टेस्ट होता है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So okay, let's start. This is a speaking test of the International English Language Testing System. The examiner's name is Sudhir Chhabda. What's your name? What's your full name?
My name is Harpreet Singh.
And Harpreet Singh, how should I address you?
You may address as Harpreet.
Fine. Harpreet, in the first part, I'll ask you some questions regarding yourself. The test will last about 13-14 minutes. So, and the test is being recorded. Are you fine with that?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let's start with part one now. So let's talk about you. What do you do?
I have completed my graduation in 2019. Now I am a working professional in my father's firm as Chiot Agriculture Workers,
Then
Ludhiana.
why do you want to take IELTS?
I want to pursue my higher education in Canada as a post-graduation diploma in my relevant field as a horticulture
Okay, and why do you want to do
student
that? As in, why are you so interested in agriculture?
because I have a agriculture degree.
Okay.
That's why I want to pursue my further studies in Canada.
Why did you choose agriculture at the starting?
I'm from science background in my senior secondary education. After that, I have two options for non-medical stream in which the physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and the another one is Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. That was 4 year course that I chose, and
But why? As
this
in,
was a great. Hmm.
why did you know? Why did you not go for something scientific? As in, why did you choose agriculture after your grade 12?
As my father did agriculture before, so that's why I have a keen interest in agriculture, and I want to produce organic products and also
That's
to
okay.
how
Good.
to.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Harpreet, let's talk about movies. Which is the which is your favorite movie, maybe?
Uh, in my perspectives, I watch various movies, and my favorite one movie is Avengers. That is a Hollywood movie that I
When did you watch
watched.
it? When did you watch it?
I watched it 3 months before. That was the name of the movie was Avengers Endgame.
Okay. With whom did you watch it?
Uh, I watched my itself.
Alone. Why so? Why did you
Yeah,
not go with someone?
I just watched this movie on my mobile phone. I did not
Okay.
went any
Go on,
theater.
go on. Okay, fine. So do you generally like watching movies on the phone?
Uh, Occasionally, I watch movies from mobile phone, and sometimes there is a rare case whenever I went to any theater that is near to my hometown.
And do you have many cinema halls near your home?
Actually, I from countryside. The name of my village is Rabunichi, and Ludhiana is my district, and it's for approximately 60 kilometers far away from my village. And the most of the cinema theaters are in Ludhiana city.
Fine. Now, Harpreet, let's talk about your school. How was it?
It was very fantastic. I have a
Okay.
great experience in my school days, and many friends come from my school, senior secondary, and as also from primary school. And now till they are my best friends,
That's
and
good.
all the
And okay,
teachers and
fine.
stuff.
Which subject did you enjoy the most at school?
Uh, I like the most drawing, and
That's good.
I have a keen interest right now also.
Do you
I
still
do
draw?
various things.
Do you still draw something?
Just definitely or draw various pictures and from time to time. Yesterday I draw a picture of my brother,
That's
and
good.
it's
Did your brother like it?
yeah, definitely, sir, because I have a experience to drawing pictures. But it's not a I'm not a professional one, but I try a lot.
And what is your parents' attitude toward your being a drawing person?
My parents have a confidence on me, and he felt that he feel that you are a great man. You spend your spare time in your drawing, and as instead of doing fossil things as another of my best friends do did.
That's fine. Fantastic. This is the end of part one, Harpreet. Let's move on to part two. Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have, okay, do you have a pencil and some paper with you?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, so you'll have 1 minute to prepare for it, and you will have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll tell you when to start and when to stop. And I'm going to display your topic now. So your
Okay, sir.
topic is in front of you. Now you have 1 minute to prepare for it. Go ahead. Your preparation time starts now. Harpreet, you'll have to start speaking now.
In my life, come I know to various persons that are their talk were very interesting, and here I would like to talk about a person. His name was R.L. Langila. He is a professor in Punjab Agriculture University, and I heard their lecture in my college days approximately 3 years ago, and it was about the organic farming. He started their lecture approximately the lecture timing was around 30 minutes only, and they are well prepared because he had a 30-year of experience of teaching as a professor in university that I mentioned before. And they talked about organic farming, how we produce an organic food products like rice, wheat, and many crops, Rabi and Kharif crops. Also, the food fruits are in which are also included, and how we can improve our fertility of the soil and enhance the production as well, also without any use of pesticide, insecticide, etc. And how we produce the manures and to improve the minerals texture of the soil. And I at the time I pursuing my bachelor of science in agriculture, and it was relevant to my field at the and this lecture was performed in the auditorium of my college, and there were approximately 200 students at that time, and we very impressed at the moment. I felt very happy at the moment because before that even I did not listen such kind of lectures from any lectures or professors in my life, and now I am
Thank you,
following
Harpreet.
her
Okay.
him.
Okay, thank you. So did you click a picture?
Yes,
It,
definitely, sir. I clicked up picture with her and with
that's
the
fine.
audience.
This is the end. This is the end of part two. Let's move on to part three now. So Harpreet, we were talking about lectures. So let's stick to that topic only. What kinds of lectures are most beneficial?
There are number of lectures are provided by the professor or any teachers in online and offline ways to the listeners. And I think the lectures that are most important to listen the improve the body language and how to be produce our language, and how to be pursue as a social person in our life. That's I think the most useful lectures that are delivered by many people on time to time.
And any other category you can think of right now?
And the lectures belongs to these studies that are I think very much in a enhance materials without any. doing the time pass. Most of the teachers nowadays just ask some use some PDFs and ask and read them in the front of the
Okay,
students, and
fine,
that
fine,
I think
Harpreet. Okay, okay. So, do you think lectures should be delivered to a large audience or a small audience?
it depends on the personality of the lecturers. Even if a experienced lecturer and he they have even I earlier mentioned the R.R. Langilla who and he had approximately 30 years of experience. I think for that person audience doesn't matter because he required actually a large amount of audience as a like an concert to listen their lectures. Even we just talk about regular students, we talk about studying like around 20 students are sufficient for providing lectures by lecturer.
Do you think it is necessary for the speaker that he involve audience with himself while speaking or while giving a lecture? While giving a lecture,
Yes, definitely, sir. Audience are necessary for providing lectures, and the audience ask some questions by after their lectures also, and lectures will give their feedback
no,
according to
no.
the audience question.
Do you think the audience should be involved when while the lecture is being delivered? As in, should the audience also participate in the lecture?
Definitely, sir. Audience should be required to listen a lecturer, and it enhance and boost the energy of the lecturers also. But nowadays, the online lectures are also driven by the lecturer, and most of the people, due to hectic schedule, watch their lecturers before after their delivery.
Fine. Now let's talk about communication skills then. Apart from being a lecturer, where do you think we need good communication skills?
Pardon, please could you repeat, sir, this question?
Okay. If we are not a speaker or a lecturer, when do we need good communication skills? Do we need communication
Communi-
skills in general?
Just definition communication skills are too important as if any person is deaf and dumb. The communication skills like a physical uh, handshaking and any other kind of the like various conversation with doing without any speaking method, and communication skills helps to enhance the our relationship with friends and family and also with the any unknown person by doing conversations. There are various things
Okay,
are
fine, Harpreet. Okay. Do you think written communication skills are more important than verbal communication skills?
they play their own rules and their own benefits. Like yesterday, the rule and regulation were delivered by the Indian government to the farmer protests, and they demand for the written conversation from the government. The verbal communication were done with the government, but they demand for that for their satisfaction. So I think the written conversation is too important as the verbal communication.
Okay, fine. This is the end of your speaking test. Well done. Harpreet, you need to give me 2 minutes. I need to analyze your performance. I'll have to go through the band descriptors and then I'll tell you your score, your strengths and your
O-
weaknesses. Overall, I
Okay,
think
sir.
you overall I think you performed very well. But let me go through the band descriptors.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about the first parameter, that is fluency and coherence. In that, I'm going to give you a band 7. You are a fluent speaker, and you are able to convey your thoughts, as in you do not have any problems in, you do not have many problems in conveying your thoughts or developing your topics, but at certain points you were not, you were kind of hesitating, mostly because of your, I would say, maybe a little lack of confidence or something of that sort. Examination actually, is gonna um, instill some fear in you, so that's okay. As in, you speak at, let's see the band descriptors at 7. Speaks at length without noticeable effort or loss of coherence. I could not find a major error in fluency and coherence. Your talks were good, your answers were good, you were relevant. Though in part 3, I could, when I asked you, should the audience be involved in a lecture, you were talking about should there be audience, you were talking about should there be an audience to talk to. I was not asking that. Audience is there, an audience is there. I was asking, should they also be participating in the speech? Like, should they also be communicating with the speaker at the time the speech is being delivered? Not just the presence, but also the involvement. In that question, you lagged a bit. And toward,
Okay, sir.
in one or two other questions in part 3, I was not able to get 100% of what you were saying, but in general, part 2 was very, very, part was bang on, great, and part 1 was good too. Uh,
Okay,
as in, you can see the second bullet point, may demonstrate language related hesitation at times, or some
okay, sir.
repetition or self-correction, uses a range of connectives, discourse markers, and with some flexibility. If you want to
Okay,
go
sir.
higher in this department, fluency and coherence, I can advise you right now. See, what band 8 says: speaks fluently with only occasional repetition or self-correction. Hesitation is usually content related and only rarely to search for language. Develops topics coherently and appropriately. So you need to work on this a bit. Develops topics coherently and
Okay,
appropriately. Work a
okay,
little
sir.
on your part 3. Listen to the question properly, what it is asking. Do not give
Okay, sir.
any answer as in from any direction. Otherwise, I think you were good. Now I'm going to analyze your vocabulary. Give me 2 minutes. Do you have any questions regarding fluency and coherence?
No, sir. I
You
don't
you
have
you
any.
you get a 7 in that, and that's a good score. Let me
Okay,
see
sir.
your vocabulary now.
Okay, sir.
Vocabulary, according to the band descriptors, is called lexical resource. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. In vocabulary, again a 7. Uh, yeah, this is your vocabulary score descriptors. One second. You stand somewhere here, uses vocabulary resource flexibly to discuss a variety of topics. you can discuss many things: insecticides, pesticides, horticulture. The audience should be there should be someone you can give your lecture to. You use vocabulary very flexibly. You are a very confident speaker. But there were
Okay,
some
sir.
errors. There were some errors, as in you were at you used good vocabulary also. Enhance. We should, as a lecturer, maybe there were some other terms also. I think you used some idiomatic vocabulary. Let me recall that. Um, Maybe it was in part three that you mostly impressed me with your vocabulary in part two also. So there were some uncommon terms also. So you use
Okay,
less
sir.
common and idiomatic vocabulary and show some awareness of style and collocation with some inappropriate choices. Yeah, there were inappropriate choices. For instance,
Okay.
when we were talking about maybe uh, your studies, maybe in part one. So I, my father, I think we were talking about agriculture, and you
Yes,
said
sir.
my father.
We
No,
as
no.
a
Let me recall one second. We talked about your movies, and we talked about so yeah, their vocabulary. Let's talk about the good part. When we were talking about movies, occasionally I would go to a cinema. Again, very good. So good vocabulary, but I was watched it in on the phone or something. There were some minor errors. If you are satisfied
okay,
with
sir.
this score, you can continue with your current level. But okay,
Okay,
I'll give you the preparation advice at the end. So you use paraphrase effectively. You can change terms. If you want to work on if you want to get a higher score in vocabulary also, my advice would be that you can learn more vocabulary first of all, because there are people who learn vocabulary, there are people who learn and use vocabulary.
yeah.
You come in the
Yes,
second
sir.
category. You can use vocabulary. You can enhance
Mm.
it. You can learn more words. Or do you remember the
Okay,
third
sir.
category we talked about? You first was work, second was movies, third was
Uh, uh, Conversation, sir.
conversation, maybe. Yeah. So maybe I was talking about communication skills. You were talking about conversations, I think, in part three also. So somewhere you were making small mistakes, but otherwise, a good, I would say, hold on vocabulary.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm going to evaluate your grammar. Okay, grammar would be at a 6 here.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. So, Harpreet, the problem is that, okay, let's talk about the good part first. The good part is that, despite the errors, I can understand what you were saying. I was able to, grasp whatever you were trying to convey, and that's a good thing. But the problem is that your errors were also visible. They were also obvious. I could notice where you were making tenses errors, or where you were making other
Okay.
kinds of errors. See, in speaking, you know errors are actually, very, I would say, acceptable, or we all make errors in speaking, but to an extent they are acceptable. After that extent, you are actually, your language actually gets affected to an unreasonable extent. The problem with you is that, okay, why I did not give you maybe a band 7. Let's see, band 7 actually says that frequently produces error-free sentences. Can you see that here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This band 7 says here, sorry, frequently produces error-free sentences. Now, frequently
Yes.
means one wrong sentence, two right, one wrong,
Okay.
the next wrong, but again a right, right,
Okay.
wrong. The problem with you is that most of your sentences had errors, but the good
Okay.
part is that there were
Mm.
rare comprehension problems. In spite of the errors, I was able to understand what you were saying. So there, you can convey your thoughts, but you have errors also. So grammar band 6. If you want to get a better score in that, you'll have to work on your grammar a bit. Now the last
Okay, sir.
part, pronunciation. One second. Okay, pronunciation again a 6. Why? First of all, Harpreet, your Punjabi has a lot of, has a lot of influence on your English also. The way you
Okay, sir.
speak, I'm not saying that you have to have a British accent or an American accent, but the thing is
Okay,
that,
sir.
okay, speak something now. Okay, Harpreet, which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Now, see, favorite. So don't mind this. I'm just guiding you.
Okay.
So
Okay,
sorry.
sir.
So that favorite, otherwise also, horticulture, insecticide, they are great terms. You are great at vocabulary, but try to pronounce them the way the
Okay.
English would, the Americans would. Again, not an accent, but they should sound like they are English, not Punjabi. So first of all, work on your, I would say, diction, the way you pronounce words. Okay. And apart
Okay,
from
sir.
that, at certain points, your speech was a little unintelligible. That means I was, your speech was not clear. I can give you an example.
Okay.
um, I was there in the school, which happened to be that middle part, but that should not be there. As in, you can this is an easy part. Okay, there are some high
Okay.
level pronunciation features, you don't need to work on them. As in,
Hmm.
if you don't want, as in band 8 or 9, but to get
Okay,
to a
sir.
7, or maybe a bit higher than that, first of all, work on your speech clarity. Speak more clearly, and try
Okay, sir.
to pronounce words as they are. Let me recollect one more example, maybe. um, just say the word again. What was the name of the movie?
Avengers.
No, see, Avengers. Okay. Again,
Avengers. Okay, sir.
no, not a fake accent. We do not have to be a sastang race for sure, but Avengers.
Okay, sir.
Avengers.
Avan. Okay, sir.
Avengers. It is Avengers. This is not the right pronunciation. So you can work on that. So you get 2 7s, okay, and 2 6s.
Okay.
Your overall score is 6.5, which is a good score.
Okay, sir.
Now I can give you some advice, as in for fluency and pronunciation, work a bit more on your part 3 questions. You can, they should be more relevant. They should be more regarding what has been asked, rather than
Okay, sir.
being in the neighborhood and answering a related question. Otherwise,
Okay,
fluency and
sir.
coherence, you know everything.
Okay.
Vocabulary, no more. Okay, learn how to use vocabulary also. Whenever you open a dictionary, where do you learn vocabulary from?
I never, sir. I never tried to learn vocabulary.
Okay, so
I just
generally you as in get vocabulary from your sources. Fine. Just you know, in addition to knowing words, pay attention to how they are used also. As in, what is the difference between slowly and slow? What is, of course, if you don't want to be that involved in the language, you are already at a decent level. But if you want to improve it, pay attention to how slowly is used differently from slow. How enhancing is different from enhanced. Enhancing, enhanced.
to
You can learn
okay,
more
sir.
vocabulary also, as in damaged, impaired, maybe.
Adjective or adverb, sir, means
No,
like
not. I will not use technical terms. I don't want to confuse you more. But you
okay,
can learn vocabulary also more, as in affected and all those things. But you're already at a good level. So grammar, record yourself and listen to yourself. As in, since you already know such technical terms, adjective, adverbs, and all, so you can point out what errors you have made. Record
but
yourself. Speak something.
sir,
Record yourself. Yeah, sorry.
this session, yeah, that you recorded,
You will get
could you
it.
share
Don't
me?
worry. Don't worry. You'll get it.
Okay, sir.
So listen to, record yourself, listen to yourself, take help of of your current English teacher, maybe wherever you're studying,
Okay, sir.
or a person um, you think knows English well, or you can point out your errors yourself only and try to improve on
Okay,
them. If you don't listen to yourself, you will not get to know what errors you are making. And
okay, sir.
without that, you can't improve your grammar for sure.
Okay, sir.
Pronunciation, speak a bit more elegantly, speak a bit more,
Okay.
I would say,
Without
as in,
any
no, not I'm
change.
not, no, I don't want to comment on your, I would say, way of speaking, but as per the exam, it should be up. You see this thing, I want to show you this thing once. It's in the band descriptors only. See, L1 has L1 accent has minimal effect on intelligibility. So now this is, let's see which band score it is. This is band 8. Okay, pronunciation band 8. L1 has
Okay,
minimal effect on intelligibility. L1 your first language. Okay, since
okay,
it
sir.
is affecting your, I would say,
Whole speaking.
yeah, your conversation, your communication, you can't get a band 8. Now, why I gave you band 6C can generally be understood throughout, though mispronunciation of individual words or sounds reduces clarity at times. At times, there were errors at times. It is not that the overall, I would say, speaking was something I was not able to understand. Good job. But of course, I was able to notice that you were not able to pronounce words, properly, or your accent was, you know, coming between me and your answers. So you can work on
Okay,
that,
sir.
to be speaking
Okay,
like, a proper English student.
okay, sir.
Fine. If you're
Yes, sir.
happy with this level, you can continue, working on that. And I think, do you have something to ask from me?
Yes, sir. I have some questions.
Go ahead.
So we will continue this speaking for a week, 5 to 6 days in a week
I'm
or
sorry,
month or two.
didn't get you. Do you want to take classes
Uh,
or something?
Yes, sir.
Let me okay, let me guide you on that. See, I teach from Amritsar. I can teach online only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are from Ludhiana, no? I guess.
Yes, sir. Near Malekula city.
Yeah. So I actually started this free speaking test for people around Punjab because I've seen people, as in, I can't take the name of the institution, but I used to work with a company, and there was this rule
Hmm.
that you can't give a student more than 5.5 because otherwise the student will get confident and leave the center and all. So that's why I'm working by myself only, and I do not lie to students. See, I gave you 6.5, as in I'm going to upload this video on YouTube also. So you do not need classes to get a 6.5. I'm saying that, as in, this can affect me financially also, because you want to take classes, and I'm actually saying that you do not need them. But the
Yes,
thing
sir.
is that there could be a case that you are facing the same thing at whichever place you are studying. That
Hmm.
what score do you usually get in speaking? Are you preparing for IELTS?
Yes, sir. I'm preparing. Last year, I prepared for 3 months, but I did not have passport yet. Even my passport appointment will
No,
be on
no,
tomorrow.
no.
And
What scores
I
did
just,
you?
yes, sir.
What scores
Actually,
did
I am
you get to
preparing
use?
my. Mhm.
What scores did
Actually, I
you
did
get
not.
to use? Okay, sorry. You continue. Go ahead.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I did not started preparation from by any teacher. I just prepared my speaking for a Leap Scholar. I created my own
Okay.
7 to 10 p.m. In Leap Scholar. There was a option. There is a option to speak from any student. Like I met various friends like Surya Joshi. He's from Uttarakhand. He's a native speaker. His father is an army officer, and he taught me various things. And many candidates come from India throughout the India, and I enhance my speaking introductory part and
Yeah,
before approximately. Hmm.
your hard work is visible. As in, I didn't say that you are a band 5 or a band 5.5 student. You are a good student. Didn't I say you are a confident speaker? So there are good parts. Okay, I have another mock test with another student who has come through this advertisement only. I will
Okay, sir.
give you details regarding the online speaking classes, and then we can continue with that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this video will be
Even sir. Hmm. Yes, sir.
go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, it will be we will continue tomorrow if
this
I
this free speaking test was a one time opportunity. Okay,
with
if you
pay mode,
yeah,
sir. Hmm.
so if you want to take classes, I will guide you on that. Just that at six
Okay, sir.
o'clock I have another mock test with a student. Okay,
Okay, sir.
after that mock test I'll guide you through the process, and we can have speaking
But
classes if you want. Okay,
through WhatsApp, sir. Even writing evaluation also, sir.
I do that also.
Okay, sir.
What you can do
So
is that you can
definitely.
check my website, and you will get to know what opportunity, what facilities I offer. It's
Okay, sir.
www.yourielsorgy. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
I can give you the link right away. You can see the as in the services I provide, and then we
Okay, sir.
can talk about it maybe a bit later. Okay, after the mock test.
Oh, okay. Thanks for giving, sir, your valuable time,
It's
and
okay.
I will definitely join to you, sir.
Fine. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.